In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add extra petals to your flower using this tack right here. On some of the templates, you'll notice a hole to insert the tack. First, insert the tack into the fabric as shown here. Now place the whole of the template onto the tack. This will help keep the template centered as we go around. I'm going to align the template up so that this petal is in between the first two petals that I made. I'm also aligning this mark with the mark I made earlier. Now we'll sew the petals around just as we did in the first video. Starting at point A, travel around to point B, turn the template, align our marks, backtrack to B, turn the template, align the marks, and go around from A to B, round and round again. Continue spinning round and round, aligning the template. That's why they call it spinning wheel. Ta-da! Adding petals is simple.